Hello, I would like to thank Vivero for giving me this opportunity to share one of our favorites of our family. So I'd love to share this recipe with the Vivero family. I am Anju Allen. I'm the mother of Jaden Allen. He was in nursery with Vivero. So getting to the recipe. Have you guys ever craved for a chocolate cake and wondered, oh, how long it might take to bake one, or even to, go out and buy one, and maybe you just need it a little bit. So today I'm going to give you a recipe that'll solve all of that. And it is a 2-minute recipe, and to gather all the ingredients and to bake this is going to take less than 5 minutes for you. These are the ingredients, very simple ingredients. We have all-purpose flour or maida, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, is baking soda, salt, milk, oil, little bit of water, and some vanilla essence. So let me show you how it's done. We take a microwavable cup, and you're just going to put all of these ingredients in, starting with the liquid ingredients, and microwave it for a minute, and then you enjoy your 2-minute chocolate mug cake. Okay, so let's get to it. First, we take 1.5 tablespoons of milk. So let me do that. 1.5. Then let's add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Any vegetable oil which doesn't have a strong flavor or smell would do. That's 1 tablespoon of oil. And then we add half a tablespoon of water. There you go. And a few drops of vanilla essence. There. Now, for the dry ingredients, we do take 2 tablespoons of maida, and make sure you don't take a heaped spoon. Make sure it's a level spoon, and go 1, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. There you go. Now we add in a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. So that's how you have all of it. Now we're just going to mix. Mix. Mix it all up until you get it like a smooth, lump-free batter. There you go. That's how it's gonna look like. So what you're gonna do is, now put this into the microwave at high for 1 minute, and then you can enjoy your chocolate mug cake. And we love to enjoy it with ice cream. Your chocolate mug cake is ready. So the cake is out of the microwave, and see, it's all ready to be relished. And we love it with a little bit of ice cream. Let me just put in a scoop. And some chocolate chips on the top. Yay! Let's dig in.